In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoom background. If you want to make your video calls look cleaner, more professional, or just a little more fun, changing your Zoom background is a quick and easy way to do that. This can be especially helpful if you're joining from a busy room, a shared space, or anywhere you'd rather not show on camera. I'll walk you through the process in a simple, clear way so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, join a Zoom meeting. You'll need to be inside an active meeting before you can access the background options shown here. Once you're in, give your screen a moment to fully load so all of the meeting controls are visible. If your toolbar is hidden, just move your mouse slightly and it should appear. Next, look for the More option in the meeting controls and click on it. This menu gives you access to additional tools and settings that aren't displayed right on the main toolbar. If you don't see it immediately, take a quick look along the bottom or top of your Zoom window, depending on the version you're using. From the More menu, click on Settings. This will open the area where Zoom lets you adjust different meeting preferences. Settings is where you can manage several visual and audio options, and for this tutorial, it's the place you need to access your background controls. Once you're in Settings, click on the background. This section is where Zoom stores the available background choices for your video. Depending on your device and Zoom version, you may see built-in background images, blurred background options, or a preview of your camera with visual effects. Make sure your camera is turned on if you want to clearly see how the background looks in real time. Now, select the background you want to use. As soon as you click on one, Zoom will apply it to your video preview. You can choose the option that looks best for your environment and lighting. If the background effect doesn't look smooth, try sitting in a bright space and keeping the area behind you as uncluttered as possible, since that can help Zoom separate you from the background more accurately. And that's it. Once you've made your selection, your new Zoom background should be active right away. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how you appear during meetings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.